Friends, today we are going to solve Subarray Division problem from the implementation of the algorithm portion. The given problem statement, two children, Lily and Ron, wants to share a chocolate bar. Each of the square has an integer on it. Lily decides to share a contiguous segment of the bar selected such that the length of the segment matches Ron's birth month, and the sum of the integers on the square is equal to the birth date. Determine how many ways she can divide the chocolate. Okay. Lily wants to find segment summing up to Ron's birthday, that equal to 4 with a length equal to his birth month. Fine. Let's look at this problem statement. Look at this example number 0. So at first the input is given. The first line will contain an integer n, number of squares in the chocolate bar. The second line will contain in space integer, the number of chocolate square, and the third line will contain d and m. Okay. So this is the subarray or the chocolate bar sizes that is present, and this will contain date and month. So we have to M would stand for total number of bars of chocolates that we could combine. For example, here it would be 2, and M would be stand for if we are combining 2 bars of it, then will it be summing up to 3 or not? So let's run first create a variable of count equal to 0 for each in. Okay, let's write a for loop for I in range of 0 to length of s. Would be looping it up till minus m length of array plus 1, so that you could loop till the entire array. So if you look at this case, we could loop it up to 1. There we can loop it up to how to put it. We can loop it up to 4 points, because once you have reached 3, which is the 0, 1, 2, 3. So once we have reached this third position, we cannot further loop it because we reach 2. Then it would require another element which is not going to present. So we will loop it till 3. So basically the value would become, the length of the array is 5 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 4 points, or if you're taking it from Python, if you're counting from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the logic for looping it up from 0 to length of s minus m plus 1. And now we'll be checking. There is a Python function which would basically check the sum that is present in the entire slice. So n plus m equal to d. Then you'll be counting it plus equal to 1. And at last we'll be returning our count. Let's submit the code. Pretty basic problem. As you could see, passed all the test cases, public and private, successfully. And as always, I keep on reminding you to send me your feedback so that I could improve upon this entire videos that I'm trying to make. I had never made videos, to be honest, but I'm trying to make this and maybe improve on. I'm trying to fix audio and many other things. and also learning a few things about making videos, to be honest, during this entire course of mine. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Have a nice day.